Hello everyone and welcome to a fresh new episode of Mr. Gadgetician, where everyone is a gadgetician and I talk about gadgets on your behalf. So today we will going to unbox the newly launched Samsung Galaxy S10. It was Samsung's 10th anniversary of S series, so they were coming with some new and fantastic feature-packed mobile, and as we expected, they delivered Samsung Galaxy S10 series. And Galaxy S10 has some huge improvements over the last year's Galaxy S9. So without wasting much time, let's just get into it. Let's go. So at first I have to show you the leaflet or a card. I have got an envelope from Flipkart and Samsung, and here it was in the envelope, and it says that Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the most premium smartphone of this series, and it has a dual camera on the front, as you can see, and here it says that Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus, and here is some thanksgiving. Thank you for pre-ordering the Samsung Galaxy S10 on Flipkart. We here heartened by your trust. Okay, they have used the 10 very intelligently, and they said that they are heartened by your trust and hope this will extend another time. You can see the 10 has been used into a long and delightful relationship. So that's a good thing. You can see that I have got it from Samsung and Flipkart, and it was in an envelope. And let's just put this aside and come to the box itself. So here is the box of S10. Here it says the Samsung Galaxy S10, and you can see some gradient on the S10 logo, and if I don't know if you can see it, but it is here. It's like the gradient design of Samsung Galaxy S10. On the back you can see that Samsung Galaxy S10, some specifications has been mentioned, and it has a 50.5 cm 5.1 cm full rectangle display and 15.17 cm rounded corners with Quad HD Plus rounded dynamic AMOLED display. So Samsung has come up with a new type of AMOLED display. They call it the dynamic AMOLED display. If compared to the previous generation of their displays, which was called the Super AMOLED display, this dynamic AMOLED display would be a huge improvement, and it is capable of giving you some crisp quality image and crisp quality of display. So here it says some cameras. I will come to that later, and here is the variant that is 128 GB, and the RAM is 1.8 GB. That is here, and it is water and dust resistance, IP68 rated. So as you can see, and that's all. That is some information you are here that you can see here. It is written that Indian SIM card only, so it is an Indian variant and Indian retail unit in fact. So let's just open the box and see what we get in the box. So just slide it, just open this box, and we'll open this. Come on, yes, it has been opened. Dun-dun-dun. Yes, it is Samsung Galaxy S10. I like the Samsung Galaxy S10 among the S10 series because it has a single camera on the front and all premium features of Galaxy S10 series. It has all the Galaxy S10 and all the premium features, and it has only a single camera on the front, and it will not block much of the display, and it will provide a very great viewing experience. Whether the Galaxy S10 Plus has dual camera on the front, so I don't like that design, but here I like the S10 much, and S10e was also a great buy for anybody who looks for a flagship mobile. But here it is the S10. So something is in here. Let me just show you. Okay, so here will just come out. coming out, please. Okay, so you can see that here it is the SIM ejector tool. I don't know what is there in this box, so let's just open the box and okay, you get a great case. So that's good thing, because Samsung is providing that case in this box, and it will be quite handy to use, and it will provide a primary protection to your device, and you can see it is not much flexible, but a little flexible, and it is a little hard type of case, and the sides are not that much flexible. So let's just put this aside, and here you get some information about the device, I think, and yes, all the information about this device, quick start guide, warranty card, how to transfer, connect to your new Galaxy phone, or regional look guide. So that's all it now. So let's just put that all aside, and let's just come to the phone. So come on, yes. So this is the phone, Samsung Galaxy S10. So you can see that how great it looks, and the gradient design, and when the light reflects from here, it looks stunning. That's why I chose this color, because I like this color most, because it has some great finish over the glass, and here it is the glass sandwich design. So let's just get the physical overview here. So on the right side of the device, you get the power on off button here, you can see, and on the left side you get the volume up and down key, and it is the Bixby button. And the great thing is that now you can remap the Bixby button here, and here it is the 3.5mm headphone jack. Great to see that, because I think it is a real need for flagship devices. I don't know why some companies are omitting this, but here it is, and USB Type-C port, and speaker grill, and on the back here you can see the 3 cameras, and it is the heart rate monitor, sensor, and the flash. So that's it for now. That's all about the phone's physical overview. Let's come to the other things that we get in the box. So here it is, a charger. So let's come see the charger's rating. It has an output of 9 volt and 1.67 ampere, and also a 5 volt and 2 amperes. It is a adaptive fast charger, and so it will charge your device very quickly. And let's just get other things of the box out, and here it is the OTG device, or what you say that OTG connector, and here you can input the what you say the USB device, and here you can connect your mobile device here. So let's just put this aside also. Here you get okay, let's just get this out. So here you get the USB Type-C cable, or by which you can charge your mobile, or you can connect your mobile to any computer. So that's let me show you the USB Type-C connector here. So let's just put it aside also, and here is the AKG type of headphones. So let's just boot this up, and by the time I set this device, let's have a quick look on the specification. So Galaxy S10 is starting now, and you can see the Samsung Galaxy S10, and this is starting. So here you can see that the punch hole display here, the punch hole camera, it is a single camera, so I like this most, and let's just agree to all of this. So let me set the fingerprint scanner first. Let me check the fingerprint scanner here. So here is the Galaxy S10 device, and so let's just set the fingerprints here because it has an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. So let's just check it out. So fingerprints, so let's just continue a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Do you use fingerprint, set a pin or pattern? Okay, then just set a pattern up. So pattern has been set. Now check out the fingerprint scanner here. Okay, it says that press a little harder. Okay, now it is recognizing. So okay, it's taking time to read the fingerprints here. I don't know how fast it will be because it is a ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Get a full scan, reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of your fingerprint. So okay, let's capture the edges. Okay, fingerprint has been added. Okay, then get recommended apps that you have to sign in to your Samsung account. Let's just skip for now. Okay, let's just skip for now. So all has been done. So okay, finish. So here you can see the device, the main screen of or home screen of Galaxy S10. So Samsung has intelligently hidden the smartphone the front camera here with a beautiful wallpaper. Let's just get into the settings and let's see. Okay, and the user interface here is one UI, and let's just get into the settings and let's see what is the Android version. So here it says that okay, here is the One UI version 1.1. Android version is Android 9 Pie. You can see here it is Android 9 Pie, and great to see that because it is the latest version of Android till date. And okay, then you can see that the security patch level is 1st January 2019. So that's great that it is all updated, and so that's it for now. It is all about the Samsung Galaxy S10 device. You can see how good the phone looks, and here you can see the always on display here. It has been changed a little, and so let's just try the fingerprint scanner. Okay, it has been unlocked. You can see how fast it unlocks. Okay, so I don't have to wake up the phone. I just touch the fingerprint scanner and it is opening. So that's a great thing, and it is a very great phone in terms of specification and looks. So I will be using this from now, and I will tell you how great it will perform, and I will also publish a full review of this phone on my Hindi channel. So stay tuned for that, and also subscribe to the Mr. Gadgetician's Hindi channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel Mr. Gadgetician, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I publish a new video. So I bid you adieu. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and always be happy.